District today. It was a really nice drive. The roads are amazing in Scotland. So currently in Glentrool Camping Grounds. Bit of a bummer because you got to park away from the tent site, which is a pain in the butt. But yeah, settled in, about to have some dinner. I'll show you around. Got here for the next 2 nights. Tomorrow planning on heading into the